Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I remade my salt and pepper chicken wings.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net.
Pour ice water into a bowl. Add Shaoxing Wine. If you don't have Shaoxing Wine, you can just use sherry wine. Add cornstarch, and you're going to mix until a batter forms. Marinate your wings in the batter for at least 30 minutes. Add your wings to the oil and fry until golden brown. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pot, or else your chicken will not be nice and crispy. Add extra cornstarch to the wings for more crunch. In a separate pan, heat up some oil and saute your garlic. The garlic smells amazing. You want to go ahead and add your red chili flakes and your green onions, and you're just going to saute this until the green onions are cooked through. Drain off excess oil and add the green onion mixture and MSG right away. Add as much MSG as you want, and then you're going to toss the chicken until all the ingredients are well combined. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. For my recipes, please check out ivyskitchen.net. And if you recreate my recipes, I would love to hear from you. Please give credit to Ivy's Kitchen and tag me on social media. Until next time, happy cooking!